to mute, by the way.
Okay. I'll just mute you. I'll just do it myself.
No, no, you're gonna forget it.
I know it's unusually quiet in here.
No, you're so mean.
Okay, let's see where we're at. We're kind of flagging here. We're at the lower end of the range, but we're kind of flagging here on a 4 hour. We still have yet to get above 688, I guess 687 on SPY. Kind of in a lower high right now, but yeah, we're kind of flagging here. Not really sure what to think.
Uh, if we don't break this M setup, it's gonna be a flag up to
Mm,
resistance again.
yep, straight
Yep.
back up there. Oh, that'd be
Yep.
nice. That'd be nice.
Wix Crush Friday!
Third week in a row?
Uh,
Why not?
Probably now they just let it go.
Yeah, if we lose 680 though, then it should sell pretty deep,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah.
Note to self: if we get below there, do not long.
Yeah, I think it could be a quite good idea to not long that. Because that will be, yeah, this has room down on the weekly.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to hold, yeah, it needs to hold around this area. At least no more than 24k, I think, on the weekly close.
Yeah, Q's looks a little bit weaker actually, or a lot of bit
Yeah,
weaker.
a lot. It has a lower high here with fill up the imbalance on the
Mm-hmm.
daily
Yeah,
and
it's quite
reacted that.
nice. Very nice actually. I like that.
Mm.
I like it. I like it.
I took payout on Tradify. Man, they
Oh,
have
hi.
not even sent the money yet. So slow.
It's
I
okay.
remember last time I did it was 10 minutes. Now it's 1 day almost. Yeah,
Really? I got paid in like 10 minutes.
yeah. I think it's weird.
Hmm.
You'll get it. You'll get it.
Yeah. They already accepted it. So
This does look weak. Oh wait, we're below previous low of day already on Q's. Oh, it's a lot weaker. Unless this gets bought here before the open, but interesting.
it would be hilarious if they. It says approved, but if they would deny me, I had 8.1% consistency.
You're like, just kidding. Yeah, everything sold. Apple sold pretty deep.
Yeah, well.
58 is right here. So we're kind of flagging. This looks like a head and shoulders. I think I said this yesterday. Yeah, it's kind of a head
Yeah.
and shoulders here. If it sells, we should be able to pull down to 256, actually. Come back into support and then kind of finish setting up in that head and shoulders and then maybe hold as support, but I think we're pretty likely to gravitate towards that level. So another $2 lower would be nice. Thoughts? I think so.
Mm,
I kind of like that.
yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Stick with that.
I feel stressed. Sorry.
No need for stressing, Philip. Oh, we have a 4 hour
Okay.
imbalance as well, down to 256 as well. Yeah, so that would work out perfectly if we actually sell the open or something. I don't know. Maybe we could just short. Maybe we don't actually have to wait till 10. Maybe just short the open. Maybe not the open. It's kind of we're already pretty low. Maybe just hold your data or something. I don't know. Microsoft still is holding that gap. Kind of an H setup, came back down, still towards the lower end of the range. I honestly still kind of like this a bit lower. $380, I think, is a little bit better of a level to hold. Around there, I guess. Looks kind of decent. The 4 hour. Maybe an M setup? I guess. Yeah, why not? Yeah, that should send us back down to this low 390, take out the liquidity at the low, and then pull 380. It looks kind of good. I like that. Because we already kind of invalidated this higher low structure with the way we're kind of moving right now, so. Should be nice.
Can you hear me from here? By the way?
I could hear you.
Oh, nice, nice. I am in my not on my screens because I'm running away.
Daily on Google. Yeah, we're still holding 300. That looks okay still. Although we are rejecting this 309 level that I have marked down. It looks like a failed breakout maybe. Although this is our first retest actually, so maybe not. Yeah, nice range that we're sitting in. Broke the highs during the overnight session. Broke out, retesting. This could hold here maybe, but if we actually recapture back below 304, 303, I think 303 is a better level. So back below overnight low, I actually probably look for kind of a failed breakout. Yep. Maybe today's the first Friday we'll do something different compared to the last 3 weeks.
Yeah, could be. Could be.
3's a pretty good number, so the fourth one's got to change, right? Unless they want to go to 5. 5 weeks in a row. With
2016, we ranged it for 2 years, Alex. We only ranged it for 5 months now.
mm,
No, 2011 maybe it was. Yeah, 11. So I mean, we could have 1.5 year left in this range, or go for a record. Everything is possible. I sent you a DM, by the way, Alex.
what did I do? I'll look
Yeah,
at it
yeah.
one sec. Um, yeah, Nvidia's just ranging here. Still looks good for 200 though. Is it 186? Maybe I should have bought more time with those. I might close those for a loss today, I'm not gonna lie. Unless we get that short. We rip today on another Friday.
Yeah. Up to 300 on Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Dow Jones go to 100k. Yeah, sure. Why not? Maybe he could do it again, that 14% push
That'd be nice.
in a single day.
It's
No?
not impossible.
Almost. Almost.
Alright, let's see. Um, oh, that's not good.
Did you just read my DM?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I had to do that. Oh well, I guess.
Hmm? What do you mean?
Huh? No, I'm reading it.
Oh.
That's not good.
No, grammar.
Very much. You
Yeah,
alright?
maybe. Sorry?
Are you alright?
Hmm. So. I didn't expect to have 4 kids here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Mm.
You wanna talk later?
Oh, no, I think it's fine. I just wanted to say if I was a bit off, you know why? You know why?
Alright, 2 minutes till open here. We have a lot of news today. Did we move off 8:30 news? We did. PCE. And then we have PMI and then consumer sentiment. I don't think that Bostic is talking so early. 9:45. I really don't like that actually. So, if possible, I would like to be done relatively early today. Overall buys today, I think, is short, to be honest. Based on tickers and the way structure is setting up on queues, doesn't really look great, I'll be honest. So, I'll say that, especially since we're opening up below um, previous low of day here. Unless we recapture above there, maybe I'll look long, but I think as long as we're below there, possibly fill the imbalance, I will kind of lean more short, I'd say. Alright. Here's the open. Give it some time, maybe. Like I said, my idea was short off the open, so we'll see if that actually worked. Or will work. I actually kind of forget why the idea was short off the open. Although I do know it's short. Oh, it's back down towards the lower end of 596, I think it was towards. Yeah, this is the lower end of the range on the 4 hour as well. If you wanted to actually decide to flag and hold this level here. Guess we'll see how structure recaptures here. Probably will wait though, at least a little bit. Because I think we're kind of 50-50 here. Getting some buying here. Tickers are popping up a bit, trying to hold the lower end of the range. Should be able to fill this imbalance, I think.
Tickets are holding quite good, by the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I
Overall,
see
think.
that.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, pretty nice buying here. Pretty nice. Filling the first imbalance above us right now. Halfway fill so far. Like I said, this is direct buying off the lower end of that range there. Getting this opening candle close here in a second. Maybe we could look long here actually. But at the same time, this actually would be your first short area if you're looking short off the fill of the imbalance, and then you would look for this to reject actually. Yeah, tickers should have some move. More room here. Nvidia up to previous high of day. Google the overnight high. Apple and Microsoft are stalling a little bit, but SPY's just gonna fill this first imbalance here. Kind of want to take a maybe a semi-risky reversal. Kind of waiting for tickers to walk into resistance here. So this one might be a bit risky though, based on the way tickers are kind of moving right now, but yeah, we do have that in basically 5 minutes. Maybe we'll just wait. Guess we'll wait. Guess we'll wait. I will say this kind of is my short area though here. I'm looking short around this area. I want Apple to tap into that previous hive day. Google's already at resistance. Nvidia's already at resistance here as well. Maybe Nvidia could go up to overnight high, but this is kind of like around my short area.
So they had a shift there, that high push.
Yeah. I liked it, honestly. I kind of like this spot a lot for shorts. Yeah, imbalance did get filled up to 893. Oh, maybe not fully. Actually, no, not yet. 900 basically is the imbalance fill. 900 on the hourly. That is. I say maybe we should have a little bit more room, possibly.
So they're going up again here with price. Hey there.
Still seeing some buying here. I think Microsoft is getting some momentum on this push, as well as AVGO. One more leg up here. There we go. Alright, we filled the imbalance now. 3 minutes till data though. We'll wait. Nice push here. We're back at the upper end of the range here now on a bigger structure. Hourly, I think, or 4 hour, whatever it was. Back into the upper end of the range. So we're still flagging. I'll look for the rejection off of this for a micro retest. For if I were to look short. Not a full reversal, and then yeah. 2 minutes till data though. $30 seconds.
It crushed 2x a bit.
A little bit. A little bit.
Uh, aggressive, but nice overnight long. The people took it.
Mm,
700 psych. Yeah. Very aggressive though, but well done if
yeah,
you.
off the opening
mean,
candle.
Yeah, but yet the holiday. Oh my god, you have diamond hands, bro. Just gonna say that.
Here's data. Didn't really move. Nicely done, Hugo. Yeah, long was clean actually. I actually kind of liked it. Break above view up was pretty nice. Although I wasn't really expecting this move up to previous high of day. I was kind of just looking for the first imbalance. That's why I didn't really decide to take it, to be honest. I thought the R was a little bit low, but I mean, I guess based on tickers, we kind of just ripped up the previous high of day there, which is nice. Previous high of day resistance here, though. Yeah, liquidity possibly to run at 25k, which this is kind of my short area, but I'm kind of also worried about this 25k area as well. Might pull a little bit above there. Especially based on tickers right now as well.
I understand.
Philip, your mic is on.
Sorry.
Getting some rejection here. First happened the previous Hive day. Rejecting here a little bit. Guess that actually would have worked.
It didn't hit P-Hod there. It was 2 points from it. Reacted before.
It did for me on keys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then Nvidia reacted a bit. Tesla.
Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to see what tickers there. Then walk into resistance and then flip a bit. And it's kind of too late now though. No. Retracing here a little bit. But that was actually such a good move. 100 points from the high.
Yeah.
I was literally waiting for that move and I didn't take it.
It's fine.
Yeah, I was just worried about 25k there. I thought we'd maybe pull up to 25k there. So I was kind of being cautious, but yeah, that was my short level.
Yeah, I thought we would take the 985 liquidity and then sell here for me. I didn't like it until then, so but I guess it didn't. Sold down before and
Yeah, this could be a dip buy spot too as well though. On this retracement, that's probably all I was looking for there realistically, on that sell down. I think I'll probably just wait till dad at 10. I think possible longer, maybe if we... It also depends on tickers here, but maybe I'll view up and deny. Although we're still range bound, so we actually haven't yet initiated a break. I think if we actually did decide to go to long, right at view up, we probably would look for a possible breakout. So I'm not sure if I really want to see that for today. It's kind of leaning a little bit more range bound today, but I guess we'll see based on the way tickers look after data comes out. Spy could kind of set up pretty nicely here, I think. It's actually already on the retest. Holding above the imbalance now. From the kind of pre-market here. View up 90 in May. I have a level here as well, 683. It's actually quite nice. Flagging though on the 1 minute. trying to look at how tickers are doing right now. Nvidia, Google's flagging. Nvidia looks like it could maybe lose its VWAP area. I don't really like where VWAP's sitting on that name. Yeah, some tickers retested. But it doesn't look terrible. For a possible dip buy anyways. Getting a little bit of buying here.
Yeah, so it is going up also here, new high.
Yeah, we have
Feeling the
data
one.
in a second
Yeah.
though here. Oh,
Yeah.
there's the data.
Trade of it freezed for me
Yeah.
there.
We'll give it a bit to settle. And then I guess from here. Needs more buying here. Looks good. It's flagging. Might be able to actually initiate a breakout today.
Yeah, at least do 25k or that
Mhm.
high with ES going for P-Hod, I think. It's high
Yeah.
probability. Nvidia pumped, Apple looking good. Just Google at resistance, but
It's flagging. Google is flagging here. SPY's already breaking out actually. Took out the highs. Don't really want to take this off the data candle. I like to wait at least a minute. Oh, wow. Oh.
well,
I was literally about to long. We're getting ready to long too. Not anymore. Wow, that was unexpected.
Wix crash.
My trade
Like,
idea. No, we're supposed to wait for us.
yeah, retested 860 buyers breakout.
Wow. Yeah, I really like
I
that
was
too.
about to, I was about to click a buy market order.
I was literally getting ready to as well. I should really like that.
Yeah.
Everything was flagging, breaking out. Ah. I don't know what that was though. I don't know if that was delayed report or if that's Bostic speaking. Is this it? Maybe this is it. U.S. Supreme Court overturns Trump's global tariffs? Possibly? I don't know.
Yeah, could be. Overnight high retest here. Oh, Nvidia sold there. That push.
Yeah. See that? trying to retest and hold this. Not really sure if I want to really try and take anything though right now. That was kind of a very weird candle.
Yeah, I agree with you. It was the P hold though, but
Yeah.
Nvidia is sold there. The VWAP.
Yep.
Google at resistance. Yeah, we keep selling it. Went right to 6921, which was resistance on ES. Matt, you would be in a brainiac to sell exactly at that high though.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. Crazy. Building balance here. That pop.
Not
I
really
see
sure
some
what to think.
selling coming in. Yeah, I see some selling coming in here.
Yeah, based on tickers, doesn't
is-
really look too great. Mainly Nvidia and Google could still hold this, but I think we're getting a little more selling pressure on Qs overall. EVGO sold. Retesting VWAP there. This is volatile though. I would be careful with this if you're trading right now. Seems like we've seen a big jump in volatility after that data candle there. Yeah, we had a large spike in that candle there. 22k, or at least on Qs. What is it? 300 yeah, 1.9 to 500k. Although this candle is still currently in development, but we got a little over double the amount of volume within that data candle. This could be a buy spot here if tickers decide to hold. But I'm still not really convinced, I'll be honest. Not really sure.
Yeah, and ES, this would be a retest on
Mhm.
the supply. 875. But
Yeah, this is still a retest on keys as well. Same spot where we just pivoted off of and broke out from the highs. It's not a bad spot, but I'm not really sure. Anyone else have any ideas?
no, not really. They are buying it up though.
Yeah.
It's 4 hours. Yeah. Could still buy up and break the flag. Fill the 25,187 flag if you want to break upside.
Wow, I got bought. Almost 150 points from that little low right there.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Wow.
It is very volatile.
Mm. I'm not seeing the buying on the CVD right here, but you've seen the buying from new highs all the time, but Not right now.
Yeah, we got a
Looks
large spike in volatility after that data candle.
Yeah.
And
I
volume.
think
Look at
I
that
think
volume.
the trade.
Good.
Yeah, it bought. No, I was just gonna say, I like that 850 long he took earlier. We were up to overnight. Rest is very hard to kind of get into here. I see CVD pushing up now though.
Yeah, tickers are kind of breaking out here. This looks quite good. Just can't long right here though. It's too high.
Hey, Alex, because of the volatility, should we consider sizing down and having a wider stop loss? One of the two or both?
Yeah, it's probably something I may consider actually. Trying to think right now though. Yeah, that probably would be a good idea actually. A really good idea. We should bring size down. Because these moves are, yeah, 30 points is like nothing. 70. Yeah, 30 points is really tight. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna bring my size down to 12 contracts, I think. Yeah, I'll bring my size down to 12 contracts, and then I'm just gonna widen my stop to 40 points. Should we do a little bit? Should we do 2/3 size? Maybe 2/3 would be better. 10 contracts. 10, and then okay, never mind. I'm gonna do no, I'm gonna do 10 actually. 2/3 size, 40 point stop. Just so you guys know. So stops is gonna be about 160 ticks. 160 ticks with 2/3 size. Or you could even do half. I think half is also okay. Don't really want to end the week off with a crazy high volatility red day. So yeah, let's do that. 40 point stop and 2/3 size for me. You could go 2/3 or half size, I think, for you guys. Especially if you had a good week already. You don't want to really give up a lot just in case we take a red trade here, but I'd say it's gonna be pretty easy to get wicked here in this condition right now.
Surprised how much tickers shifted and
Yeah,
slow down here with
nothing really looks weak yet though, I'll say.
no
Besides
no
maybe
no.
Nvidia.
Yeah, edged up there on the VWAP. Was
We didn't take anything yet.
me?
Oh wait, maybe he's talking about Hugo. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, we didn't take anything.
We were getting ready to take longs right after that data candle at 10, and then just s- giant candle,
Yeah.
and then yeah. Now I'm kind of waiting though. Not a fan
I
of
don't
this
think Aptal.
volatility.
No, I don't like how tickers playing out here with this downside move.
Yeah,
Looks kind of weak for me right now. Are it gonna do it the same on the 4 hour? Just weak the flag, and I'm surprised. Right, it's just gonna.
this is still a long
The
spot
lower
right
end.
here though.
Yeah, 860. Wow. Yeah, it's high volatility. 40 points from you said that. Third, we will touch there. It's a bit scary, isn't it? We had
Yeah.
just a nice week, and we see this volatility picking up here. This is 100 points, 1 minute
Wow.
candle.
Yeah, I was literally just
Above
about to
100
say
points.
that. I actually kind of like that long there. Not gonna lie, it's actually kind of nice.
I found 860. Took it there.
Stop just below the low there. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Nice hits. Yeah, I probably would log out as well. This is a bit scary to trade.
Yeah. It was the breaking. The Supreme Court of the United States has officially ruled that President Trump's are illegal in 6-3 ruling. The US now face 150 billions plus in potential tariffs refunds.
Address eligibility for tariff. Oh, I see. It looks still kind of strong here though, beyond. Looks like we could actually get this break.
It's weird because I don't see the strengths on the CVD here.
Yeah, that is true. PK. We are still waiting for that that tweet from Trump now. So we still have yet to hear
Yeah.
from him. It's gonna be interesting. I'm sure we'll move off that unlock.
No, we were already scared, PK. No. That we- Price action yesterday was so bad, by the way. After hand. Wow. I'm glad we got points on that day. After looking at it.
Looks good for hire. She won along this. Do like the way this is setting up here. Okay, I'm in long.
Oh wow. What entry did you
Ooh,
get?
yeah, that was kind of funny. 76 entry.
Yeah, okay.
We're at 10 contracts, 2/3 size.
$76. We have a 36 then.
Mm-hmm.
So stop. So it is going up here. I'm not gonna get this.
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that was a kind of a lucky momentum entry right there, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, Nvidia pop here.
Kind of want to scalp this, I'm not gonna lie. It's already kind of 40 points here. Yeah. It's quite decent. I don't know what I'll look for here, though. Liquidity at the high, I guess.
Wonder if someone got that.
No, I don't think so.
No, no.
It was literally at like 80 something when I said it.
Yeah, like 500.
Yeah, I'm gonna trim here.
That looked like nothing, but it was still quite a lot of
Oh, it was
points.
a lot of points.
Yeah, 50 points,
50
right?
something points, yeah. I had a
Um,
28 trim right there. Quite decent.
no.
Still looks good though.
Yep.
Like this for that liquidity.
Did it take off half? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'm at half, yeah.
Uh,
I'm gonna let this possibly ride up to 50 something. I think.
just gonna watch.
Yeah.
I thought the 500 was too high. I couldn't take that.
I might do BE here. It's a little tight though. I don't really want to let this flip. I'm gonna move my stop to 50. Stop loss move to 50. So I'll be slight green on the day. I honestly probably should have just taken full there. 50 points on full, 2/3 size. It's pretty decent.
I think ES looks good here though.
Mm-hmm. It's like, what, 30 points, I think, on
Google broke.
full size.
Uh,
Tickers look good, though. I like tickers across the board. Had a nice 5-minute candle close, breakout above overnight high there. I'm worried that we might be able to get wicked and have the structure still hold. But based on the volatility, I don't really want to get tagged here. I don't know. Maybe Samir, it depends.
There's no selling pressure on the CVD here.
Yeah, I might get tagged on this.
Is this a retest on the flag? Or, no, you can't even call this a flag.
This is a
I don't
retest of
know.
overnight high here.
Uh,
So this still actually looks good for a possible buy spot here, actually. This will actually be your buy spot if you wanted to look long, I think. Break above overnight high there. Long there and then target the highs. Or, yeah. Still kind of valid.
I think I'm too greedy here. Yeah, definitely too greedy.
You don't like it here?
No, I just couldn't get the 78 entry.
Hmm.
More like 500 for 495.
Yeah, that's a nice buy spot there, I think. Retest of overnight high on the 5-minute candle close above. Break a
Yeah.
structure to retest and then, yeah.
It had
I
like 3 more
like
points to
this.
the. Yeah, looks good.
This looks really good.
It had like three points more to the FE imbalance there in the
Mhm.
print, but I was too greedy. Didn't get in. You also, Samir. Okay. Yeah. Just a split second there if you can enter it or not. Yeah, I don't feel good mentally. I'm just gonna watch today.
Alright. Yeah, it's always better. Come back next week. No worries.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was kind of a really lucky entry, I'll be honest. Very, very lucky entry. I'll not complain though. Stalling here a bit again. Maybe I won't. Break out. Could have taken more off there at 35. That was over 60 points. I'm gonna get tagged here. Oh, there's your entry, I guess. Not really sure now, though. On a 5-minute, we have a nice little higher low, but the lower end of the range is well below where my stop is. So I'll probably get tagged out, and this could actually still get held up, I think.
It's aggressive right now. Not sure if you want to take it. Selling though. Let's see. And you have the stop at what, 50, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop at 50 here, so it's It's pretty tight where it's at right now. Five-minute can I recapture back below overnight low there on a close, which I don't really like too much, although we still could base. As long as we're above previous hive day, I think the setup is valid. It's just the stop placement here isn't really the best, in my opinion. But I guess it's fine though. I got tagged there, by the way.
I was gonna ask you, did you get tagged?
It's
Yeah,
got
very
ripped.
high volatility.
That would be a
I'm not
crazy
lying.
wick. Yeah, this is
Mm.
the lower end of the. This is the higher low on the 5-minute. Previous hive day retest. This setup is still valid in my opinion.
Yeah, the P hod
Yep.
test. Well, you got some points at least.
Yeah, a little bit,
Right?
I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do I want to look for another one? I don't know. 2K for today.
Is that 10 points on normal size for you?
I don't know.
No, it's not. Right?
Oh.
Oh no, no,
No,
no.
don't do
So
that.
they're going up here.
No, no.
Don't do me like that.
Just tagged you and pumped. Jesus.
No, I didn't really pump. It just volatility.
49.
Now Alec feels better.
Yeah, I feel better now. That's okay. Should we look for
EF
another
is
one?
still reacting. No, you can do it if you want. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just gonna watch here and yeah. For everyone don't know, I get quite bad news today. I feel depressed, so I'm just gonna watch you all get rich and be happy. Yeah, so it is sold here overall. I think we go back again down.
Yeah, back in the
It's like
range,
a wheel
possibly.
of, yeah. Didn't break out. Tickets are wicking a lot, by the way.
Yeah, no, they are.
That's the,
Yeah.
look at Microsoft here and Tesla.
Hmm.
Yeah, looks horrible. Overall.
Terrible, terrible, terrible. We're losing structure here a little bit. Yeah, even the soul is not really seeing the weakness on tickers right now. Everything's still kind of holding structure a bit, I'd say.
Yeah.
And
I
technically
mean,
on the
ES is
bigger.
still just on the higher low here.
Yeah.
Kinda. I don't know. It's not perfect, but upward sloping view up slowly.
Or maybe I should just call it. Yeah, no losers today yet, or this week. I don't think, right? I know it did we?
No, no, no.
No losers
See
this
some
week.
buying here on CVD. Oh, it's going so fast. Oh. It was 50 points.
Yeah, it's wicking. It's trying to hold this higher low still on a 5. It's not the best close. We did lose previous hive day there. But tickers still look good. For now. Do I want to keep my win streak intact? Or do I want to...
Oh, you shouldn't care about that, but more about if you see something you want to trade or not.
Yeah. I don't mind the structure. I don't like the volatility. I'll say that. That's the only difference. Yeah, that was a lot of points though. I definitely should have taken at least a little bit more off there. Like, oh,
But you had 40 point stop also,
yeah.
so it made sense to go for 60, 80, 90 points there. Or even 150, going for the highest.
Yeah.
Structure-wise, I'm talking now, right? We got in the pullback, we took the high, then saw one more push. Then you want to see that pushing to the highs.
This looks good still.
Yeah, Nvidia looks good here. Tesla also, Apple. Oh wow, it's just going. Yeah.
No, come back. Wait for me. Wow, it's basically back to the same entry as last time.
Structure-wise, it looks a bit better now,
No, it looks good.
I would say though.
Looks
Yeah,
really
yes,
good.
it looks a bit better. Looks a bit better.
I'm gonna take this here. I would like to have my stop at 900 if possible. But that would require me to get a 40 entry, and I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, you needed a bot entry then before
Mhm.
910.
It's not bad here either, though. Just worried I might get wicked. It's basically the same exact setup I was looking at. Continuing to push here a bit. Kind of want to see how this candle's going to close on a 5. Might better get some momentum here and actually break. Nice 5-minute candle break there again. Okay, I'm in long again. 94 entry. 40-point stop again. Oh, my entry kind of sucks. I thought that was in like the 80s.
Where did you have your stop, you say?
54. Honestly, looks like I'm about to get ran right now. That was kind of a retest entry, but not really. Yeah, I'm gonna get tagged here. Oh. Yep. Okay.
Oh, you got tagged.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh no, it was kinda, yeah, right on. Still the imbalance there, we had 250, 50. Oh no. Yeah, it just went there to the
No. Yeah.
Oh my, okay. See you on Monday, bro. Oh my god. Yeah. You did it like me last week. Yeah. Now you know the feeling, Alex. It sucks. Yeah, fucking sucks. No. That was nasty. Are you feeling fine?
No, I'm fine. I don't really care.
Good. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Not down that
yeah.
much today, actually.
No. It's that was no fun. Candelier. How much was that?
Yeah, structurally wise, it still makes sense. Like my entry could have been
Uh,
a lot better there, but still.
mm,
I thought I clicked the button at 85, but no, gave me 10 points higher.
yeah. It was like that when I was gonna enter your first train. Like, no. No. Cannot do that.
Yeah, I guess yeah, that entry was a lot nicer. We pulled down a bit. I should have waited like literally a couple seconds.
But overall, this looks kind of nice. I would say
No, it looks
overall
good.
now.
I still really
Yeah,
like this
cause
long.
yeah, I think it looks good, better than before. But we could still range. But
I almost
yeah,
want to take it
I like
again.
that.
I really want to do that thing. I don't know if it's gonna give me another entry, and I don't feel like getting wicked out again.
Yeah, ES is
No, it's
going
gonna
above
go here.
overnight higher. Yeah.
Ay.
No, I sold at 150 profit and it just went up.
Nicely done, Samir.
What? Wait, did you take the trade at his stop?
Yeah, I took the trade at 940. No, I'm not sorry, 960 actually.
Oh my god.
And I just sold it right after it pumped and then jeez.
Oh.
And I was on 3 MNQ by the way on that, but
Yeah, that sucks. That one really sucks, not gonna lie. I really liked it too. Really like the setup there.
Yeah, I liked it too, by the way. I just said I was not gonna trade, so I was gonna do that. But yeah. Yeah, this is 100 points above your entry also. Wow.
Yep.
Yeah. Even yeah, this is moving like that 50 point down, then directly 100 points up. Nvidia broke out. Google, Apple. Microsoft looks good for higher. Tesla looks good for higher. Meta looks good for higher. Yeah. Probably just ranging for break, right?
Yeah,
Everything.
no, it's gonna go here.
even if
I think we're gonna go 610 is my target on QQQ, so new high of day. Yeah, and then for SPY to go and retake that that data candle from 10 a.m. My target there. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Did I take that too early? To retest? I don't know.
Should have asked you to hold or sell. Jeez.
I didn't think he would retest test under p hold there again before going.
Nah, I mean, based on how I have structure drawn out, my entry is like, where's my entry at? It's like 54, so it's Q's candle. It's like right here. Yeah, maybe it is a little high, I guess. Wait, is it right here?
It's a breakout entry.
Yeah. I thought it was a retest though, because I was looking at this 1 minute. We pulled up to what 25.016, so then we pulled down right towards the overnight low, which is what I wanted to long at. Like I said, I don't know, I got filled a lot higher.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess it tapped into it, and then when I clicked it, it like poofed up or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I looked along off the overnight high there, so I don't think it was terrible.
CVD is selling here, by the way.
Yeah.
No, bad pop. Okay.
But I think, yeah, and I guess we did have a little bit more room down to wick from the actual higher low trend line, but no, I think entry was okay there. I just stopped. It's really unfortunate. I mean, it tagged me directly, basically. Maybe a couple points lower, but yeah, this is TP1 here though. We have a, I don't know, for whatever reason, I don't know.
I mean, it's not that bad of a day, right, Alex? It's
No,
like
no, it's not.
1/3 of a normal lot. So the wick is super good there still.
Yep.
Was it? Yeah, 5k loss, 5.2.
Yeah, it's like 15 points. 15 points.
Yeah.
But I hate to go out like that, to be honest. Like, I really like the setup. Really liked it. Ticker strong across the board. Everything's breaking out. And that's what volatility will do to you. That's what volatility will do.
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes it does the exactly opposite.
Yep.
You just run 100 points and you're not even prepared to scale out, and you're so glad that you got more points than you thought.
Yeah, if we took that that trade before data or right after data, we would have been done like almost an hour ago.
Yeah.
But
it's fine. It
yeah,
is
it's
like
fine.
that. Yeah. Good,
Yeah.
good week overall, Alex.
Yeah,
Well done.
I'd call it, yeah.
Training.
Good week overall. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, we did very well this week. Very well this week. For a short week. I
For a
forgot it
short
was a short week.
Yeah.
I did forget that.
Yeah,
actually.
green on the week. So yeah, green on the week. So
Yep.
that's good.
Yeah. You shouldn't. I don't think you should try to catch it more on a Friday after
No, I
a good
won't.
week like that.
No.
You
I-
gave it two tries, and sadly it had a bit unlucky there on that week out. I mean, almost to the
The
point.
I think the first trade we missed was the short, right, Alex?
Long.
Long. Oh, long. Yeah, long. No.
Yeah, it was short.
Remember you mentioned shorting it at the
Oh, off the
what was that?
open. The open.
Off the open,
no,
yeah.
I didn't. Well, we didn't do that obviously because I was off the open.
Off the-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tickers look. Everything
But
looks
that
strong.
long, yeah, but the long was awesome. That it, Trump tweeted and it was like 200 points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Take care, guys. See you on Monday.
All
I will
right. Yeah.
be
See you
more
guys
gladder than
next
See
week.
you.